Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Krishna classes. So today we are going to unbox Honor View 10. So I'm also I know you are also excited about looking at this phone, and I'm so too. I ordered it from Amazon, so you can see Honor View 10. It's a very sleek looking phone. Everyone had good reviews about it too. So let's see what's inside the packaging. Yeah, it's a model number, etc. Amazon. So yeah, I got it on discount. So how much discount, you were asking? Well, it was costing me around 36,000 if I'm going outside market and buy it. But as Amazon's Navratra sale was going, so it came down to 25,000, and then you know I exchanged it with my old phone, so I got around 23. And for 3,000 when I did for SBI card, so it nearly came down to 20,600 was the grand total. So let's go right ahead and unbox this thing and take a look at how it looks. So it got a tape coming. We'll just take scissors. Yeah, this side. It's very difficult to get this thing done. Oh yeah, let me just yeah, got a loophole. Feels so got some scratches on. No worries, but no worries. No, let's open it up. Let's see. Oh, the phone is on top of it. So the first thing which comes is the phone itself. It is very sleek looking thing. It has got several cameras on here. So let's put it aside and check out what the box contains. So here's my number on the view 10, etc. Put aside. What this contains? Oh, the SIM card slot. Oh, it is essential. And I have got some back case for it too. Transparent back case, guarantee warranty. That's very cool, man. It is very cool indeed. So let's keep it aside. In the SIM card slot, got a charger. Alright, so let's talk about the specification. Its operating system is EMI Android 8. Processor is Huawei Kirin 970. RAM is 6 GB. Storage 128 GB and expandable to 256 GB. Display is 5.99 inches, that's your 6 inches, etc. So the box is empty. We'll give the SIM card slot key in here. The transparent will go back. We'll keep the transparent, we might need it in the future. Yeah. We'll close the box like this and keep it aside. Yeah. Go to hell. So that's and yes, so the main cameras is back cameras is 16 MP RGB sensor, 20 MP monochrome sensor. Front is 1.8, both f1. The front camera is 13 MP. Connectivity is Wi-Fi A, B, G, and AC 2.4/5 GHz, Bluetooth 4.2, fingerprint, USB Type-C supporting, USB OTG, etc. SIM card consists of a dual SIM, nano SIM, plus micro SD, frequency bands 4G LTE and 3G UTM plus GSM Edge. Battery 3700 mAh, 5 volts, fast charging. 4.5 ampere, dimensions 157 to 75 into 7 mm, weight is 132 grams approximate, I think approx. Yeah, so the colors which are only mainly seen are navy blue and midnight black, but The colors which the owner has will provide in the future are navy blue, midnight black, beach gold, aurora blue, and charm red. Yeah, the price I told you is 36, but I told you how about it. So let's go and unlock the phone. So from where? Oh yeah, such loopholes, and you have to be careful. Mm, no man, how? Oh, oh, you just pushed the phone, I think. Oh, yeah. Oh shit! I just turned it on. Fucking shit. No, I'm just TV to press. Yeah. So I think I will have to just yeah. Oh, shit. It takes out on the other way. Oh, well, the phone is already started, so we do not need to. No EMUI. You can see it. Select language. Let's go to English United. No some card. We are going to skip it. Agree. Terms are equal to end user agree. Yeah. Wi-Fi plus services. The Wi-Fi plus services automatically switches between Wi-Fi and mobile to obtain your location using nearby base stations and access points, etc., etc. So let's agree. Next. Encrypted. Let's skip that too. We will connect it back. Agree. Get a fresh start, huh? Alright. Setup as fresh. Other device. So I skip. Okay. Not. Alright, so let's get started. Right now, let me tell you. So here's the back view, navy blue. As you can see, it's very not very so much not shiny, but it looks cool. It is just flat, just a flat surface. It's you can what do you call it in geometry? Yeah, plane. It is a plane. Where it is very slim from the sides, and there is some weight in it, and here's the edge. The edge looks all flashy, but not the back. Well, I don't know. Alright, we have to test the camera, etc. So let's. Alright, the phone is alive and it's kicking. So let's test. Alright, the camera. Yeah, next. Next. No. Alright, so the pictures. It's very good. You can just minimize the size and put it back to normal. Yeah, so let's bring it back. Oh, yeah, so the camera is also very good. I just adore it. I do not have the words to say. This phone is a mighty. Alright guys, that's it for now. I hope you like this video about Honor 10, and if you like this, I will subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes once again, and we will keep updating about new phones, etc. Thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.